Hello, good morning everyone. I am Anuradha Dwivedi. Today we are discussing about the algebra. Why we say the algebra? Why we are not say the another word? Because algebra is the branch of arithmetic and it denotes with the letters. That's why it is called the algebra. And in the form of algebra, we are write in the term of x, y, z, a, b and c. These are the alphabet words. That's why we are called the algebra. Now we are discuss about the variable, coefficient and constant. There is a one equation we are combining. These are three examples. For example, 3x plus 2. This is the equation. Now 3 is the coefficient, x is variable that are also called the literal value. It is also called the literal values. Now these are the mathematical operation. And this is constant. The constant terms are never be changed. Okay, these are the example. 3x plus 2y. X means vary means variable. The number with the product of variable that are called the coefficient. Now this is mathematical operation. Now constant. In further we are discussing about the terms. When we write the number in 3x plus 2 and 3x plus y, the terms are mainly two types. First is like terms and other one is unlike terms. In that terms, all variable numbers are same. For example, 3x, 4x, 5x square, 7x square, that are these numbers, all variables are same. That are called the like term. Now what is unlike term? When that all the variables are different. For example, 3x, 4y, 7z, these are called the like terms. Now we are discussing about the how many types of terms. The two types of terms is like, unlike. Now we are discuss about the another way, algebraic expression. These are the algebra. Now we are coming to algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. In previous we are discussing about the constant, variable, coefficient, terms are like and unlike. Now we are discuss about the algebraic expression. In that expression, the first is monomial term. Now binomial term. Trinomial term. And multinomial. Then polynomial term. Mono, the word denotes mono. What is the meaning of mono? Mono is a single term. When the number in single term. For example, 3x, 4y, that are called the single terms, is called the monomial. Now we are coming to bio. Bio means two terms. For example, 3x plus 4, that are called the binomial terms. Now we are coming to trinomials. Tri means 3. That is 3x plus 4y plus z. That are called the trinomial terms. Now multinomial term, which is new. Multinomial terms which is more than 3 terms. More than 3 terms. That are called the multinomial term. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 7z plus 4a. That are terms are called the multinomials. Now we are coming to polynomials. In polynomials, these are the terms come under the binomials, multinomials, trinomials and multinomials. These terms are come to the polynomial terms. Further, we are discussing about how to multiply the two algebraic number in that algebraic expression. First is 3x plus 2y is 3x plus 2. How to multiply this number? Firstly, we have two methods. First, we are discuss about the one method, that is 3x. We can write this 3x plus 2, applying plus sign, and write this one 2y 3x plus 2. Now we are multiplying this term like that. 3x multiplied by 3x, that is 9x into x, 9x square, plus 3 into 2, 6x, plus as it is 2y, 2 multiplied by 3. But the variable is different, so we are multiplying with numbers. 2 3s are 6xy plus 2 4y. We are solved with same terms. Now we are write in increasing order, that is 9x square plus 6x plus 6xy plus 4y. This is the multiplication of algebraic expression.